42? 42. Do you have a free Wi-Fi?
Yeah, we do.
Can I have one? Just kidding. Ay, ay, ay. Go to the other side, go to the other side, go to the other side, go to the other side. Go doon sa kabila. Huwag ka dyan.
Watch it, watch it, watch it, watch it.
I'm gonna start the vlog. Today is December 26th and we are going, it's Boxing Day and we are going out. We're gonna go to IKEA and the outlet. Say hi guys.
Hi.
Happy holidays.
Happy holiday and Merry Christmas.
I don't know when it's gonna upload this, but Happy New Year. I have yogurt. Yeah, this is our garage. It says Pinoy Trucker right there. And then right here it's the Canadian flag and the American flag. That's my dad.
What's your dad?
Yeah. Oh, what is that? Hey, hi. That's my brother. He's a little shy right now. And he closed the door on me. Sorry, I'm eating yogurt. Okay, excuse me. Stop. Can you? Oh, sorry. Haha. So yeah. Man, say hi. Yesterday was Christmas Day, and people came over, relatives came over in our house for lunch slash, is it considered lunch, man, if it's after 2 p.m?
No, it would be dinner.
Dinner, early dinner. And dinner. This is my baby brother. Say hi.
Hi.
What are you holding?
It's a no-no.
Okay, can you throw it away?
Okay, no.
Lunch is like 11 p.m. like 10
11 p.m?
I mean 10 a.m.
10 a.m. is brunch.
Yeah, 10 a.m. to like.
So if
11
there's brunch, a mixture of breakfast and
Mama,
lunch, then what is dinner?
Really?
I mean
like
lunch.
lunch is
Dinner?
2 p.m.
Really?
Lunch is until 2.
Yeah.
But if it's after that, then is that early dinner?
I guess.
Bow, bow, bow. Bow, bow, bow. Bow, bow.
Turn that off.
Guys, pansin nyo. Lahat ng mga sasakyan.
Punta IKEA.
Puntang IKEA. Puntang outlet. Papuntang, yeah. Because today is Boxing Day. Ho, 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 ho. Ho, 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 ho. Kaya na nakapila lahat sila pa-entry ng outlet. Ang daming puno siguro ngayon ang ano, yung Nike. No? Ang daming pila sa Nike ngayon. Papunta lahat sila doon, no? Hala, hala, hala. Tuwang-tuwa naman ang Nike ngayon dahil sabihin natin ang presyo ay bumaba pero yun pa rin ang price. Oh, wala nang parking, o
Maybe
kaya
they're shopping sa Porsche.
oh, really?
Oh, you can buy clothes.
Puno nga ang parking ngayon sa outlet.
Pati dito,
IKEA? Oh my god. IKEA. Guys, maraming tao dun sa ano ngayon, sa outlet. Kaya kami dito naman kami sa may IKEA. Grabe yung traffic dun. So dito less. Meron din pero hindi ganun siya kapuno.
May chocolate ka na, may chocolate pa rin. Baka kayo magkukot na. Choose one lamang.
Which one?
Fine, I want this. I don't want it.
Put it back there.
Mom. Because it's not frozen.
Yeah, yeah.
Fries, Mom. Look. I'm gonna eat it.
Yeah. Ito,
At the bottom, at the bottom.
Let's quit.
Thank you. Ito, pakilagay sa Let's go, wala na?
No, I'm gonna get garlic bread.
Huh?
I'm gonna get garlic bread.
Garlic bread. Garlic bread.
We're in IKEA.
Made from Sweden. So guys, sana
I
sa
want this present.
IKEA. Tara.
Oh my god, I walked him.
Ito yung, anong tawag dyan? Pantry. Yeah, ito yung maganda. Luto, tapos may pantry dito.
Wow.
Yeah.
Our pantry is just a one thing. Look.
Yan, no? Kompleto na. Tapos itong ref.
Our pantry at home.
Yes.
There's only a space here. We can't go through. We can't go through. There's like a big space
Yeah,
here.
because we have a small house.
But this is like a mansion.
Exactly.
Over the whole thing is 18,100.
For the whole thing.
Yeah. With the stove is going to the
Sila na mag-install.
Yeah. Sila na
Why is there already so much stuff?
Tara. Parang, Tams, parang style apartment.
Ma! Don't God. Oh,
Parang style apartment, ano?
but this is so sikip.
Yeah, masigip siya.
It's so sikip.
Ha? Itong lutuan, pantry, style apartment
Look,
na
come. Look, Pop.
Audio.
Look here. Look here.
ano yan?
basket.
Lagang prutas. Ganda, oh, nandito yung face mo. Yeah. Pang ano lang to. Pero magandang design. No?
Ito, may doon ang maganda din.
Yeah, maganda yung design niyo. Nasa likuran lang yung ano. Mga lalagyan. Parang pang bakery. Oh, yeah.
So this is for the washing. This is for.
This is 26,000.
Real? For the whole? Kasama na itong mga nat nito?
Why don't you just play with food?
Ang ganda to dito. Oh. Pwede kang mag-laptop dito while nagluluto, no?
Oh, look. Oh,
Pwede ka na rin kumain dito, di ba?
Pop, that's how much it costs.
Yeah.
Like,
Two.
for like building houses.
Yeah.
Pop, that's
Pag pa-build ka ng bahay mo,
but that's 26,000.
then ito yung design. Meron na siyang table dito. It's nice. Yeah.
A finger.
Stop.
Sige na. Oh, gusto mo ganyan.
But look, a hand.
Hello.
That's not funny.
It's not funny. Oh. Ba't sa ano? Sa underground tayo? All 26 bin 14 13 Where is that? Vasco Stefan. Oh, here. 114. Stefan. Nakasawin. I think this one. That yours? That's mine. Uh, 005-120-91 Stefan. Yeah. Dito sa IKEA, pipicturean mo lang yung gusto mong product, then ito na yung kukuha dito sa mga area sa bin. Okay, we have to check out ng ilang gamit dito sa IKEA. Ang pangutana kung magsakto siya dito sa muang sakyanan. Mura na itong pangutana ron kaya napa may kwaon isa. Medyo dako-dako dito. Ay nako, dami. Uy, tugon mo ba eh. Saan?
Dun po.
Paglabas
outside
namin?
Yan, tapos right, meron pa pong isang pintuan doon.
Sa labas,
Isang
ha?
door, opo.
Lalabas kami.
Lalabas po kayo. Tapos meron pa pong isang door doon.
Sa right side?
Opo.
Okay.
You can collect tawag.
Yeah, okay. Okay na to. Ay, wag mo sama mo. Wag. Masisira yung ano.
Oh, can we put this table downstairs, please?
Yes.
I don't want
You
to.
gonna help me?
No.
Why not?
Because you're the one who chooses it.
Lagay mo dyan. Be.
Wow.
Meron pa utams. Huwag mo nang alisin yan. Kasi ilalagay mo. Ate, meron pa oh. 5. 6. 6 ba ito? 2, 4. $922. Oh la la. Almost 40,000. Daming tao din dito. Bumibili ng mga furniture na gawa ng Sweden. Tanong kasya kaya sa likod. Let's go. Don't run. Just walk. Don't run. Oh, 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 oh. Okay. Ang tanong, magkakasya kaya? Ha? Bigat pala to.
Sampay na.
Ha?
Sasampay.
Eh, dito muna ipasok.
Yeah. Bigat.
Kaya,
Op, careful ha. Kamay.
Wait lang, sumabit ka pa.
Okay, ikaw muna.
I wanna go inside.
Take your feet.
Iganon mo may dear.
Ha?
Ulit ng batang to.
Kali, mamaya kasi maputik ang paa mo.
Hindi pwede ganun.
Ano ha?
We can't get in.
Mamaya nga be. Mamaya.
Baka may pumasok na car.
Makoli, huwag ka lang maglandi sa
Koli, sinabihan na ng ata mo ha. Okay. Yeah.
I'm kicking off the snow.
Yeah.
yan. Pasok mo doon. Playing with the snow, not taking off the snow.
Okay.
Go get up. Yeah, there's a car. Go get in.
Isarado mo ata.
Close it. Huh? Where did you take it out?
Oo nga pala. Nilagay mo pa sa plastic.
Ito, lagay mo to. Sa loob ng bahay.
Yeah. Put it back. Yeah.
There he is.
Okay. Then, mama be, doon ka sa likod ma. Doon ka sa likod kasi mabigat pala to.
Saan likod?
Ito sa likod ko to.
Baka mahulog ang...
Yeah. Ay. Dali ha. Ay. Okay. Okay, wag mo na ano ha. Ibaba ko muna. Saglit muna. Alis.
Make it stop.
Okay na yata. Okay na yan?
Okay?
Yeah. Pasok.
Wow.
Yeah.
Dapat iniusog mo pa ng konti.
Okay na siya. Hayaan mo na.
Ma, okay na yan. Ma, okay na yan.
There's no turning there ata.
Hindi mayroon tayong stop sign. So when you have a stop sign,
But isn't there a boulevard there? Oh! Papa, there's a boulevard there, I think.
walang boulevard yan ata. There's no boulevard. Thank you, Kia.
Muntik pa. Buti at naisip mo.
Hindi, sabi ko kaya dapat umabot na siya ng 1,000. Oh, 900 plus, sabi ko.
Ba't ka ba ganyan ng ganyan? Isa ka pa din eh.
Guys, welcome to Molina family. They're always fighting. Ano ba? Hello, what are you doing, guys? Oh, daming na pamilya, oh. Oh. Big bags. Si Kali, lagi niyang pagpapasensyahan kasi makulit talaga siya. At his age right now, hindi siya nakikinig. Right, be? Right, be? But he's a good boy.
Hindi yan excuse sa pagiging makulit. Ganyan ang age niya. Bakit yung mga nandun na bata?
Oh. Why, Kali?
Ang salita. Iba talagang ugali nito.
Ay, nako.
Talaga eh.
And now it's traffic. I have to get it too.
Yeah, but di ba kaya nga naka-hazard is because pag may spot, ay naku naman talaga. I don't go to this lane.
Why?
Ang labas nito, ang papunta nito sa Golf Dome.
Hindi paliko to eh.
Papaliko nga, pero you're gonna be on the furthest lane. May stop doon.
Yeah, I know. Wala tayong ano kasi ito yung bakante. You have to watch and learn. Like this. Oh, stop na.
Stop. Like this, stop.
Like this, stop. Okay. Grabe ang tao ngayon, rush na rush. Pagkatapos Family Bank, lipat na naman ng iba dahil meron pang sale doon. Ha?
Grabe, ang dami sasakyan.
Yeah, naglabasan nga, kailangan mong mag-spend ng pera ngayon. Lahat ng pinaghirapan mo for the whole year, ngayon mo i-spend. Tingnan mo sila, oh. Punta ng outlet, IKEA, just like us. Yun, oh, singit pa rin siya dahil hindi maka-overtake. Kailangan makauna dun sa ano, baka maubusan ng sapatos. Itong panahon ngayon ang gandang mamili
Pero
na.
ano mo, expected na rin nila yun na nadadami ng tao kaya
Oh, siyempre.
marami silang stock.
Yeah. Ang tanong lang doon kung talagang nagbaba ng presyo. Kasi mautak din tong mga negosyante, siyempre alam nilang peak season.
Lalo na't hindi kalamigan.
Tapos ay hindi natitingnan ng mga ano yan, consumers na yung price niya talaga. So nakalagay dyan 80, dating 130. So isipin mo talaga na sell, di ba? Pero yun talaga yung price niya. May mga ganun eh, pero hindi naman lahat. Kasi magpapalugi ba naman yung mga negosyante? Of course not. Of course not. Okay, it's our turn.
Habol pa rin yung dalawang yun yung nasa huli.
Yeah. God, grabe ng traffic dito. Habol sila ng last show.
Ang
Boxing Day sale is not Boxing Day sale anymore. It's the whole week. Do people realize that?
Hindi, inahabol lang na makakuha agad sila ng magandang mga items eh.
Minsan kasi ubos na.
No,
Yeah.
but it's the whole week.
Yeah, but
They don't do Boxing Day sale.
yung item nga, yung item baka ubos na, wala nang stock.
Or they could have just done earlier this week.
Kaya inagano.
Di ba nung Polo Park tayo, ang dami ng sale, di ba? Nung Polo Park kami ni Juan, ang dami ng sale.
Dito na yung traffic. Ah. Ako hindi ako sa ano dyan ah. Yung bang sasabay ka sa flow ng ay nako, hindi na. Ano? Puno na eh. Baka hanggang McPhillips na yan.
Parang sa Polo Park.
Polo Park nga ano? You wanna try? Dito hindi matraffic. Moderate. Parang ang liit lang ng city ng Winnipeg, no? Kasi ang madalas na pinapasyalan ng mga tao, outlet, Polo Park. Ano pa ba? Ha? The Forks. Wala, parang ano lang siya, parang maliit lang siya na city.
There's no mall in the south. O ito ba, puntang Polo Park to. Mga galing out, pupunta na ng Polo Park.
Yeah, siyempre titingin doon ng, oh yun, bukas ng ano, Guess Who.
Yes.
Ako ang aalis ako bukas.
Kanya-kanyang pakulo sa ano eh, store.
Kaya nga.
Ano, Boxing Day, 10% off first 20 customers.
Sama mo si Uwa.
Details in store.
Marami nang bibili sa outlet. Bibili ka ba sa outlet? Top Mart ang gusto niyo.
Gusto ko lang ng bonnet na camouflage.
Saan ba meron?
North Face.
North Face ba? Yun lang gusto ko eh.
May North Face ba sa hotel?
Wala.
Camouflage.
Actually, I don't know. See, they're all going to Polo.
Itong rider kanina ay +1 yan, 0.
Zero. Tingnan mo, basa yung kalsada, di ba?
Look
Maya,
at
maya.
this first. Oh!
Oh, what happened, bro? Yan dyan, oh. Halata mong ano eh. Halata mong...
Grabe.
Yeah. Ay, nako. Hey!
My God.
Mukha sa ngayon sa Lego. Ganito na lang, every time I feel sad, I'm gonna buy a Lego.
Wait sa halamdon, ug sa tanang Pasko, magmalipayon.
Si mama sasabihin niya, fruits lang bibenta na mo kung may nakita yung gusto niyo.
Kayo lang pupunta ha?
Mm.
Kasi ako yung magkakape sa ano lang ako ng kape. Ngayon nasa loob.
Tsaka tulog si baby.
Yeah. Kasama ka wa?
Ayaw daw.
Hindi, sama namin sila sa loob. Kasi
Yeah, sama ko kasi
nakakapasok
yeah,
din.
tagal na baka hindi na
Ayaw niya eh.
Hindi ba pasok yan?
sama na kasi wala si Kali.
Ayaw niya nakasama si Kali kasi may ano siya.
Huwag na lagi niyang inaanong bata. 6 years old pa lang yan eh. Pagsabihan niyo in a nice way.
Ang
Hindi
pagsabihan ng nice, hindi, oh my
Hindi,
God,
bawa.
Papa.
Nung entry.
Hindi ba dito?
Ano ba?
It's so haba.
Pati dito din.
Baka may
Pati sa kape.
Alam mo, kape may ano yan, may discount yan. Discount kasi Boxing Deal eh. Boxing Deal. Boxing Day. Nandito na palang Bianca Amoro.
Nga.
Lipat na nila. Di mo ha? May Boxing Day ano yan sila, 50%.
Inaakyat mo pa sa gutter.
Hello. Oh, dito ko. Wala sabi. Akala ko.
Nawawali.
Kala ko doon. Yun ba pala?
Are you kidding me?
You're kidding me, eh? I-delete ko yun.
Ito pala ang purpose ng pillow dito.
Oh, okay.
Hindi tinatanggal.
Yeah, para matulog siya.
Pagkakaganda pa ng... Hello.
Oh.
Man, nasa lulu.
Ano ba yan? What happened to you, my dear?
Gusto ko ng kape eh. Hindi, may cash yata ako na sa wallet.
Gave up na ako. Sabi ko,
And that
hala.
was mine.
Sabi ko, hala, naiwan ako.
Kaya ganun. Yung
Oh,
pala na-
baby.
That's mine naman.
Hindi ito ah. Gusto mong kape?
That's been like
Ayun.
7 months.
Hindi kita makakatulog ng maaga.
Hindi na tutulog ng maaga eh.
Kape.
Hi! Can I get a large steep tea triple please?
Okay.
That's everything.
No.
What?
Step tea medium, double.
One steep tea double medium. One large and one medium.
Are you still ordering?
Hi?
Are you still ordering, sir?
Yeah, large and medium.
Alright.
Steep tea. Thank you.
Ay, triple eh.
No, sige lang.
Yeah, mo na.
I don't like it.
No, they don't.
It's only Airbus.
Happened to me.
It's only I know that.
Hindi niya magandang naisuwa.
It's compared. I was like, no, Mom. But my hair's like so dry now.
Yeah, pag nag-dry yung hair, lagyan mo agad ng
Hindi, pagligo kasi ng ligo, nagda-dry talaga yung hair. Eh, everyday,
Everyday na sa
twice naliligo sa tanga.
Dapat hindi.
pag nag-natural ka uwa, lagyan mo agad pagkatapos mong na-natural, lagyan mo ng conditioner. Conditioner agad.
Huwag ka kasing ligo ng ligo. Every other day ka
it's
maligo.
not. I know.
Everyday siya naliligo?
Oo, twice a day.
What?
Magda-dry talaga yung hair.
Dito na?
When the so you I can go.
Layo?
I wanna sleep for a
Why
while.
I feel like my hair's
You're gonna sleep for a while?
Dito na?
Mas may na.
Hindi pala walang sale dito sa corner sa house ko.
Wala.
That is it. Okay. Sumama ka. Gusto mo mag-alikali dito sa loob? Pilit. May gusto ko ha.
Okay.
Baka hindi nag-pilit.
Yeah, ito na. Lagay mo dyan. Ito paano mo na.
Papa, may car!
Dapat pala ginanon ko muna.
Maalisin, baba muna.
Bababa muna ako.
Go!
Ako na.
Oh. Inalis na din.
Wala.
Yun
Ano?
lang
Di ba
pala.
walong
Inalis na mga
sila?
toys.
Inalis na?
Yung F1.
Bakit?
Ang marami ang inilagay mga prutas.
Oh.
Kaya nga.
Hindi, tapos na kasing Christmas.
Kaya?
Yeah.
Wala na mga toys.
Pati nga yung ano eh. Yung basket wala na din.
Pati yung mga basket na
Mhm.
pinamimig na
Box of chocolates.
hindi wala na. At hindi traffic.
Morning
Madalang
traffic.
ang tao.
Sa loob?
Oo.
Nice.
They're all in like.
Unlike before when we went, Ma, there was so much people before
Ayan.
Christmas.
Ang ano mo anak, ang marami ng tao ulit dyan sa 31.
31.
31.
2025 pa lang ah.
Pag wala ng tao sa Polo Park, we're gonna buy you Lego. You want Lego sa Lego store?
No.
And you have to know what you want na para we don't go around na. I was looking out for the truck eh.
Wala na.
People get out of-
Ikot-ikot kami doon sa mga
Maybe
ano wala.
because done na yung Christmas, no one's buying presents anymore.
When are we going to Polo Park?
Pag wala na nga masyadong tao.
Pag sarado na be, yung wala ng tao.
Why is it?
Alright, go home.
Kasi today is madaming sale. Today is Boxing Day. Di ba we went sa may IKEA? Did you see outlet? Outlets full of people. Same thing as Polo.
There you go. May sign na pala dito ng left turn, right turn, no? No? That's good. Kaso lang, stop na. Ganun din pala. May nabili ka, Owa?
Mabibili ngayon.
Wala na? Nag-change na lang ng mga stocks. No?
Madami na naka-line up sa phone.
Sa phone?
Sa phone yan.
Bakit?
Sa mga gadget. Ay nako.
There's there. Drone.
Oh, I don't need it.
Mini one.
Ah.
4.
I need a big one.
The DJI Mini 4.
But that was, mga 2 years from now.
Wala nang GoPro, no?
Wala.
Ubus na?
Wala na.
Oh.
Yung
It's not
kasamahan.
ubos. It's just that they take it out na.
Di, ubos na yung stock na. Kasi sila,
No?
naglalagay sila, parang ilang piraso lang yan. Just like sa, just like sa Starlink, no? Ang Starlink, hindi sila naglalagay ng napakaraming order.
Ay, wala na rin yung Starlink
Meron
eh.
pa.
Meron ka bang nakita?
Ano lang yan, yung limited stocks. Kung wala ka na makuha, online ka mag-order.
Palibhasa ang Costco ay maraming employee.
Sabihin na agad na,
Mag-change ng mga...
hindi, sabihin nila agad na, no, uy, may mga sale doon, punta kayo.
They have
Oo.
overnight.
Oo, yung opening.
But you can still go to Bugani.
Ay, masakit sa puwet right now.
It's melting. The next few days, be, it's gonna be wild.
It's literally on a board.
Yeah, but still. Kasi nga may mga bald spots na.
Oh, like, is it gonna be bumpy?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
It's not soft unlike before.
Kaya mo siyang mahuli.
One time we buy,
Just because it's the holiday. Oh my gosh, they still haven't gotten it. This one. You can't park there.
Ba't hindi nila kinukuha yun, ano?
It's been there since before holidays.
How's no one noticing that?
No one's getting it.
Which?
Maybe they don't have
Naku,
money to
anak.
serve it. What?
Paalaala mo, ilalabas ko ang chicken.
Or?
Ang inyong carbonara.
Hi, guys, welcome to McPhillips.
What was it,
I'll
Drew?
have 5.
Dito lang umiikot yung aming mundo. McPhillips, Polo Park,
You're
I
not
was
funny.
thirsty.
Cebu City.
I was
Cebu
thirsty.
City. What huy?
You can't turn right,
I
bro.
have it.
Wait up.
Who told you?
Gosh. These people are so fucking
Mm.
annoying.
Di ba?
Gosh, my hair.
We went to Lolo's house. Can you have another one? Another one.
Anak, ikaw magsabi.
Quiet ka, quiet. Hello.
Hi, welcome to KFC Church. So, what can I get for you?
Can I get the 12-piece fries and gravy bucket? I have the coupon.
Yeah, what's the coupon code?
DM377.
Alright, so 12 piece with large fries, 2 small gravy. Anything else?
Can I also have a large gravy on the side?
Sure.
That's everything.
Alright, grab
Thank
ahead,
you.
please. Thank you.
Donkey.
Have they got the coupon?
Oh, I think they have the free Wi-Fi here.
Oh, diba? Tumahimik ka nga.
You always do this. Every time I come to KFC, you're always doing this.
Kasi may nakalagay doon free Wi-Fi, so I need the free Wi-Fi.
From Popeyes?
Free wifi.
Yeah, my free Wi-Fi.
Mom,
No more that.
Mom, can I use your phone? Mama.
Makahulog na naman yung phone ni Mama.
Mom. Mom, come on. Mama. Give me back.
Da-da-da. $42?
42.
Do you have a free Wi-Fi?
Yeah, we do.
Can I have one? Just kidding.
Not funny. That's not funny. That's not funny.
Ketchup or anything?
Yeah, please ketchup.
It's not funny.
Mom, give me your phone. Give me your phone. Okay.
Yes, we do. Can I have one?
I want Wi-Fi.
It's free. There you go. Yeah, Merry Christmas. Hey, hold guys. Danke. You know what is danke? Danke means thank you in German. Danke. Shukran. Uy!
My dear.
Give me that bear. Watch it.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Pumasok na ang sweldo mo.
Ooh.
Polo Park.
Polo Park, let's go!
Joke lang. Polo Park's closed na.
Lots of money.
Wala namang rice.
Meron.
Oh, here.
So today is holiday. I can still make a right turn kahit
No,
red.
it's the weekday today. There's
Yeah,
no such
can
thing as
I
holiday.
pass here para makapunta doon?
No. It's cutting.
Yan, wala
You
pang
have to
ano.
proper the.
No,
you
it's-
have to
You
follow
It's
the
holiday.
proper traffic laws.
It's holiday.
No, may
No.
nakalagay ba doon na holidays except holidays?
Oh, okay.
It's Monday to Friday.
Okay.
People are not following it. That means they're stupid and can't read.
Okay.
Ang agad sinabi.
So even it's holiday, I'm not exempted dun sa 5:30?
Yeah, I know. It says Monday to Friday.
Oh,
Walang
okay.
except holiday.
Wala nakasulat na holiday.
Give me that bear. Watch it.
What if someone died? Grabe ka no.
Give me that.
Ay, nako.
Watch it.
Even like ano, like school.
I'm allowed to left turn here?
School zone. Yeah,
Huh?
it doesn't say anything.
So anong tawag dito?
Pero maraming sasakyan.
Establishing.
Establish?
Give
Sa
me
gitna
that
ng boulevard?
bear.
Oh, I don't want to learn driving.
Watch it.
Why?
Watch it.
You should learn how to drive, McCoffman.
Hindi mo kaya doon para dito mag ano yung iba.
Ay, ay, ay.
Sabi ko sa iyo.
Go to the other side, go to the other side, go to the other side, go to the other side. Go doon sa kabila. Huwag ka dyan.
Watch it. Watch it. Watch it. Give me that bear. Watch it. Watch it. Watch it. Watch it. Watch it. Give me that bear.
Papa will buy your car if it's road closed.
What?
He will buy mine.
Yeah, I'm gonna buy a new car for
So
McCoffman.
you don't have to walk to sister.
If you know how to drive. Oy, naglinis sila. That's good. Ah, hindi dito.
Give me that bear.
Maglalabas na tayo ng basura.
Merkulis ba ngayon?
Thursday, bukas ang basura day.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Watch it.
Kasi ano ko muna yung ano, yung recycle, putol-putulin ko.
Watch it. Watch it.
Tsaka yung ate my dear na ano, basura, masyado mataas ang... Colin, hindi maglapat yung lid niya. There, stop. Na, can you
Alright.
put the ribbon?
Hello! Mga choy, mga chay. So, nandito kami sa bahay. Tapos na kami kanina doon sa IKEA. So, ang daming tao sa IKEA, no? Yung mga halos pagsapit ng ano, ng December 26, yan ay, anong tawag doon? Boxing Day. Nagkakagulo yung mga tao pag Boxing Day. Kasi ang mga iniisip nila, mura ang bilihin. Which is, meron namang mga mura, kung totoo. But, sa panahon ngayon, dahil ngayon ay inflation masyado, mahal ang mga bilihin, sinong mag-iisip ng, sinong kumpanya na mag 50% discount, no? Sa mahal na nga ng mga bilihin ngayon. Pero hindi ako nagpapano dyan sa mga 50% na yan.
Show you.
So, yung kanina, punong-puno yung ano, yung papuntang outlet. Talagang nagkagulos lang pumila dun sa mga sapatusan, kung saan pa ba. Kami lang, may binili lang kaming bagong lamisa and then upuan dito sa aming munting bahay sa Winnipeg. But anyway, yeah. Ano ba bukas? Wala namang gagawin bukas eh. O nga pala, yung aking ano pala, may kakabit akong bagong camera from Viewfo sa aking sasakyan. Nagpadala na naman ang Viewfo ng bagong labas nila na dashcam. So, I'll see you guys tomorrow. And ingat kayong lahat. And belated Merry Christmas sa inyong lahat.
It's not even
Dagan sila.
Christmas.
Tapos ng Christmas, right? It's done.
New Year na.
No, we can still open presents.
Yeah.
Presents na naman. Tama na yung presents.
No, I want more. So we can like open like the presents.
So anyway, so I'll see you guys the next video. So yun, shoutout nga pala kay Jiramel Ugpo and kay Rio dyan sa Nipawa. Na-meet nila yung aking wife doon sa Costco. And yan, nandun lang ako sa sasakyan kasi pag tinatamad akong sumama doon sa loob, stay put lang sa sasakyan. And ano pa ba? Mayroon pa ba kayong sasabihin? Wala na?
Shout out sa mga taga-Price Industry.
Oh, shoutout nga pala daw sa mga taga-Price Industries na nanonood. Anong mga department?
Hindi ko na
Green Department, Blue Department. Anyway, yeah, pag-amping mo tanan guys, I'll see you next time. Tatapusin ko ng video dito. And I hope doon sa aking POV lang yan, parang wala masyado kasing action pag nandito lang sa Winnipeg. Walang masyadong challenge yung mga vlog. But pasensyahan nyo na tong video ito. And yeah, have a good night. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.